case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2011, the United States District Court for the Eastern District of New York provided clarity on the specifics of copyright infringement in a captivating case involving Russian films, exclusive distribution rights, and subtitled content. The compelling legal drama unfolded between the central parties: plaintiff, Close-Up International, and several defendants, including Deandown Limited, DVD Expo LLC, Witness Enterprises Limited, Roman Dictyar, Joseph Baroff, and Image Entertainment Inc. Close-Up International initiated the lawsuit, alleging copyright infringement over 65 Russian films. Close-Up possessed an exclusive license to sell these films in their original Russian language. However, the defendants held licenses to distribute the same films with subtitles. The court was tasked with unpacking the labyrinthine web of legal and contractual obligations, as it scrutinized the validity of the Lenfilm agreement and a controversial no-shutoff switch. Fueling the lawsuit was a central contention over whether the licensing agreement with the Russian film company, Lenfilm, remained valid past July 1, 2003. The lens of legal scrutiny also fell on various other licensing agreements among Mosfilm, Lenfilm, Deandown, and Close-Up. Notably, Krupny Plan entered into an agreement with Close-Up for exclusive rights to distribute the films in the US and Canada. The ensuing court ruling set a crucial precedent. The plaintiff could only lodge a lawsuit for rights that directly infringe upon. In an unforeseen twist, the court allowed the defendants to distribute multilingual versions of the Mosfilm works to Russian audiences. Furthermore, all previous claims against all defendants, including Joseph Baroff, were dismissed in their entirety. Thus, the court judgment redefined the landscape of copyright lawsuits involving distribution rights, much to the surprise of the litigating parties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.